Michael Medford. I've worked 7 years here at ASI and I'm the head machinist. Loving my job makes me want to come in. I'm here an hour early every day.
I'm Austin Gosling, and I work in the grinding department here at ASI. I did metals in high school, and then I thought I liked that. That's what made me want to try this place out.
I'm Michael Hensley. I'm the lead man over grinding. I like the people here and the company. It's just a really good family-based place to work.
Grinding's maybe the most important part of it. They bring the diamonds to size. You make sure everything's flat. When you OD something, you're retruing it and balancing it. If it isn't ground right, it's not going to run right.
We're the last people to finish grind to the last size, the final size of the part, before it goes to polishing to be sent out.
They send us to the shops where our wheels are sent just to see our wheels working, so we know what we're doing and what the applications are going to be.
It was pretty cool to see what you made be at work. That helped me a lot to get to see what we're making and how we can better ourselves to make that.
ASI has helped me further my education by putting me in an introduction to manufacturing class. It makes a difference in helping grow my career.
They're paying for my college. After this semester, I have 1 semester left. I have my degree. They're paying for the whole thing. I'm gonna do better for my family. You can't go wrong getting a degree.
I like what the company does for the community. They help all the charities, the high school. That's what I like about this one. That sets a difference than anywhere else I've worked at.
I'm proud to know that what I actually make here helps other jobs. I love the work that I do. I wouldn't like to do anything else.
Oh, I'm here until they kick me out the door. That's it. This is my job.
One of the best jobs I've ever had. They really treat us well here at ASI.